So the question has two parts. First part is explain the following terms related to spherical lenses. First one is optical center, then center of curvature, principal axis, then aperture, then principal focus, then focal length. Okay, so we have to explain all these terms. Then second part is a converging lens has a focal length of 12 centimeter. Okay, calculate at what distance the object should be placed from the lens so that it forms an image at 48 centimeter on the other side of the lens. Okay, so it's the numerical, so we'll solve it. Okay, so now let's move on the solution part. Okay, so let's understand all these terms with the help of an example. Just wait a minute. Let's draw a diagram here. Okay, so this is our lens. Okay, this is O here, then focus, here center, and same side. So is F1, and this is C2, sorry, C1. Okay, so first of all, let's understand optical center. So optical center is the center point of the lens. So here this point O is the optical center of the lens, because it is generally represented by O. The optical center of a lens has a property that a ray of light passing through it does not suffer any deviation. Let's draw it. What does it mean? Okay, so here this is a ray, green color. Okay, so when it is passing through the optical center, it is not facing any deviation, it is not experiencing any deviation. Okay, so next we have center of curvature. So center of curvature is the center of the sphere of part of which a lens. So here C2 and C1 are center of curvature. Actually what happens is, if we extend it like this, then this is C1 is center of curvature. It is the center of this circle. Okay, and so we have two center of curvatures. Since the concave and convex lenses are formed by a combination of two parts of spheres, so therefore we have two centers. One part is this, and another part is this one. Okay, so we have two spheres, so that's why we have two center of curvature, C2 and C1. Okay, so next is principal axis. So principal axis is a line passing through the optical center of the lens and perpendicular to both the faces of the lens. So this line, in this line, it is the principal axis. Okay, Then comes the aperture. So aperture is the diameter of the sphere. Okay. Sorry, it is the diameter of the lens. So this this is known as aperture. Okay. Then principal focus. So f1 and f2 are the principal focus. Okay. So convex lens converts the ray incident on it after reflection to a point on the principal axis. Okay. So the rays incident on concave lens appear to diverge from a point on principal axis. Okay. So this point is known as principal focus. So f1 and f2 are principal focus. So let's remove it and move on to the next part of the question. So next part is the numerical. Okay, so in this we are given image distance, means where the image is formed. So generally image distance is denoted by v, focal length is denoted by f, object distance is denoted by u. Okay, so since we are given with v is 48 centimeter on the other side of the lens, so that's why this plus sign denotes that it is forming on the right side of the lens. Okay, the focal length is 12, plus here is due to the converging lens. Since it is converging lens or convex lens, that's why its focus is plus 12 centimeter. Oh, and we have to find object distance u. Okay, so we have lens formula with us, so we just have to put the values in it. We have u, sorry, we have v, we have f, and we just have to find u. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's put the values. So f is 12, so 1 upon f is 1 upon 12 equals to putting v 48, and then u we have to find out. So then we just have to solve it, and after solving we'll get u is equals to minus 24. Okay, so means object should be placed at a distance of 24 centimeter from the convex lens. Okay, but now question is, what does this 24 sorry, what does this minus sign means? What is it representing? So this minus sign means that the object is placed on the left side of the lens. That is minus sign. And we saw initially that v is plus 48. So plus here means that image is formed on the right side. Okay, and minus means on the left side. Okay. Thank you.